Namaste everyone. Good morning. My name is M.S. Vishan and I am here from Smile for All Foundation to narrate an interesting story from Panchatantra. The story starts like this. There was a wise swan. An elderly swan who looked after the family members very beautifully. There is a very big tree in which all the family members stayed together. It was the duty of the wise swan to, guide properly the younger ones, and every time the wise swan regularly guided the younger ones. In life, there are many things which are able to be seen or foreseen before only by the elders. Likewise, one fine day, the wise swan found a small creeper which was growing from the ground level of the tree. Suddenly, when she saw the small bushy creeper which was coming up, immediately she called the younger ones and gave instruction that to completely cut the branch or cut that creeper so that it doesn't grow into a very giant tree. As she said and she left in search of food, the younger ones didn't overheard her, and they didn't even care for the words of the wise swan. As such, days passed by and this creeper became very, very lengthy. It completely covered on the whole tree, and it became very easy for anyone to climb the tree. So one fine day, there was a hunter who climbed the tree with the help of these creepers, and he put the net. He completely put a net near to the tree so that he can catch all these swans. The younger swans were coming back from after having a complete thorough routine drive towards the jungle. As they were returning home, they just came and stood or sat on the branches of the tree, and immediately all the younger swans got trapped into the net. They didn't know how to come out of this, and they were really very scared about their life. Thus, the elderly swan came rushing back to the home and advised all the younger ones to act like a dead swan. So that's all the swans acted like a dead form, and thus the hunter felt that all the swans are dead, and he removed the net and he threw all the dead swans on the ground. And as he put all the swans on the ground, they immediately started flying. Thus the wise swan escaped from death and made everyone to escape from the death. With this story, we come to know that how we have to listen to our elder ones, and whatever our elder ones say, we must definitely follow them, because they have a lot of knowledge and experience than compared to the younger ones. So shall we start following our elders from today onwards and respect them and listen to them? That's all for the day. Thank you. Namaste.